Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about GUI, that is graphical user interface in operating system. Do you know in today's this era how computers are more friendful to us? What is the reason behind it? How we can get more engaged with computers? The reason behind it in a single word is GUI, that is graphical user interface, which replaces cryptic commands of previous operating system with certain logos or certain pictures which are very helpful or understandable, so that anybody can easily handle the PC or it can perform the functions without knowing the difficult commands of that computer language. So you have seen signboards near the roadside. Do you know what is the reason behind it making of signboard? Because the driver which is driving along that road does not know the language of that area, but he can easily understand the picture and get the idea what is near to it, like hospital sign or no horn zone, or when you pass by school there is a photograph of a student which is running away with a bag. So these all are nothing but graphical user interfaces. So in operating system, how they get implemented? So you seen our Windows operating system, you find when you want to find that close the file, you have to just click on the cross mark. So any beginners come to you and ask how to close the file, then what you can suggest to him, just see this sign, click on it, you will get close your file. So it is so easy. Otherwise in this operating system we have to remember the commands to open the file, to close the file, to change directory, etc. So it is now very easy. By just clicking on the icon we can perform the function. So graphical user interface is basically the replacement of cryptic command by the graphical representation with the help of certain logos or whatever it is designed for that. So what are advantages of graphical user interface? The main advantage is that as it replaces commands, so we don't have to remember them in order, because in this operating system they require certain order. If you change the order of commands, nothing will happen. Second most important thing is we can run several programs simultaneously. The same condition or same sign can be used for different programs also. That is, as earlier I am giving example of cross sign to close the file, same can be used for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Then third is user can communicate and exchange data between programs without transferring or copying file. So we can make exact exchange the data between programs without actual transferring them, and it is very easy to use consistent GUI for virtually all programs. So it makes it a powerful tool to handle. So basically different operating system uses GUI like Microsoft Windows, Apple, Mac OS, then Linux, Unix, etc. So as we all people are mostly using Windows, we are learning some components of Windows operating system as a GUI. Here is a window of operating system. You can easily see different masks are there, so like document, music. So you can see that the picture made near it. If anybody doesn't know the spelling of music, by seeing that CD structure and all, it can come to know that there will be music files. For folder, for files, there are different symbols to indicate. So what are main components of Windows GUI are? First is menu bar, which is normally appear at the top of the window under the window title, consisting of different menus like file, edit, view, help, etc. Okay. Second component is scroll bar, which allows the window to scroll horizontally or vertically. Third one is dialog boxes. Dialog box in a window is used for application interact with the user. Okay, some dialog boxes come when you want to close the window. Are you sure, or you want to save that file or not like that. That are called as dialog boxes. Then next one is option button. option button, that we have to choose any one option from the given options. Here we have to select only one option only. And second is check button, which is square one. We can select, when we want to select many options, we use square button or check button, which is called as. Then list box, to draw the drop down the list, or entry box, which gives the which help user to edit that list also. So these are simple GUI that are used in Windows. You have to remember this. The question may be asked on this topic like that: what is mean by GUI, give its advantages, or what are essential components of GUI, explain in 3. Thank you.